Chiropractic for toddlers and young babies is really important for a number of reasons. First of all, your child actually develops its neck curve within about 3 months of being born. So it's really important to make sure your neck, the baby's neck, is moving well. Sometimes torticollis or that stuck neck that they get at birth can be a problem. At 6 months of age, the low back actually develops its curve, the lumbar curve, the normal lordosis they call it. One of the problems that gets in the way with that is those little Johnny jumpers. So when you have a kid in those little bouncy things, you're actually putting stress on their lumbar spine before their lumbar curve is developed, their low back curve, and it can cause injury and damage. So getting your baby in and talking about the things that are most healthy to help them grow well and to adjust what seems to be misaligned is really important for their health overall.